Hey friends, welcome back to the channel, and in this video we are going to start our system design series, and we'll be starting with a single server setup, and then we are going to understand different kind of concepts, and we'll be discussing about designing different kind of apps or systems like Amazon, YouTube, Twitter, and these kind of things. So it's going to be a long series, so just stick with me. So in this video we are going to have a simple introductory session, and we are going to discuss about how we build systems that support a single user, and then we'll gradually move up to serving millions of users in the upcoming videos. So first, let's understand how a single server setup works and what are the main components that are used. So here I've drawn a simple diagram which shows the flow. So first, let's discuss how these things work. So the user access websites that can be like this samplesite.com, and the user access it through web browser or some kind of mobile applications, and then this request goes to our DNS, which is a paid service and is provided by third parties and is not hosted by our servers. And from this DNS, an IP address is returned to the user's web browser or mobile app. And then once this IP address is obtained, then the web server, and then we have this web server which will receive this IP address and would return the HTML page. So basically the web server returns this HTML page which has the JSON response, which will be used by the web browser for rendering whatever thing the server has sent. So mostly traffic that comes to your web server comes from two main sources, which are web browser and mobile apps. And talking about a web browser specifically, we have a combination of server-side languages like Java, Python, etc. to handle business logic. And we have other part, which is the client-side languages for the presentation on the browser, which are HTML, JavaScript, etc. TypeScript. These are the examples. And talking about this mobile applications, we have HTTP protocol, which is the communication protocol between the mobile app and the web servers. And JSON is the commonly used API response format to transfer data because of its simplicity. So this is on the higher level how the single server setup would work. And if we have a lot of people trying to access some website, we'll have to scale our web servers. There are different techniques to scale our web servers and how to balance load, because there can be n requests hitting our servers. So all these kind of things we will be discussing in the next video. So this was just an introductory session. So that's it for today. See you in the next one.